What's going on, guys? I'm Taylor from the Southwest Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK545 ELE brake kit. This will be your 10-inch brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle. Here you can see we got this big box. This box is what you get in the mail. It's got our logo on it. And then we got the two smaller boxes packed in here tight. Keep it from moving around. These are going to be the smaller boxes. The brakes come in. Packed nice and tight in here. So you'll see your hub and drum here with 1/2-inch zinc coated studs. Center to center here is going to be 2 5/8. That's what we measured for the 5 on 4 1/2. These are true ride hub and drums along with true ride brakes. They do have the races pressed in right here. You can see right here. And this is going to be our true ride brake. This is 10-inch brake. The magnets are already installed on them. These are already inspected by True Ride. You can see we got the little True Ride sticker in there. That will also tell you left hand and right hand brake. Then over here we have all of our small parts. Set those down. Then we have our other hub and drum and our other brake. These kits do come with 2 hub and drums and a left and a right hand brake. So for the small parts, you get 2 seals. Then you're actually going to get 4 oil caps. You'll get 2 that are closed and then 2 that are open, like this with the rubber. The reason that we do that is these are for the easy lube spindles, as well as the tang washers. These are not for the easy lube. These are for the non-easy lube spindles, along with just the regular washers. So we send you all 4. We just want to make sure that you guys have everything you need on hand. A lot of the other guys don't do that, but we just like to make sure that no matter what application that you have, you can just bolt them on and go. Then we have 10 lug nuts. Here's our castle nut. You see right there, that's your castle nut. That's going to go on the end of your spindle, along with your cotter pin. A lot of guys don't send the cotter pins. Once again, we like to just make sure you got what you need. You'll stick this on, and then this will go through your spindle and right here. Pretty simple stuff. Then we have the hardware for the back of the brake plate. You'll just have a washer and a screw. I mean, it's really easy. Just put it onto the axle plate, put this on, screw it down, and good to go. Then last thing we got is your inner and outer bearings. These are going to be your outer bearings, and these will be your inner bearings. The outer are these 66469, and the inners are these 68149. These will go on the outer side right here, the side facing out. And then the big ones come in and go right here on the side facing in. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. That concludes the BK545 ELE kit.